Hi guys, I'll be showing you a tutorial how to take apart your Xbox 360 controller. I'm gonna first start off on the screws, right? There's one right there.
Everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon. Now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like I'm Rob Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pay. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah. That's right. In the house, yeah. Oaktown, Oakland definitely in the house. Frisco, yeah. Frisco, and you know LA up in this. Pasadena, where you at? Yeah, Inglewood, always up to no good. Even Hollywood trying to get a piece, baby. Sacramento, where you at?
This is pretty much it. I'm gonna work on putting my controller back together now. There will be a video of that soon. Till later, alright? Peace out, guys. And subscribe. Guess this is the end of my video, so comment, like, whatever you want to do. I will be selling some controllers. KCP, Crazy Custom Project. And, what was I gonna say? Comment on anything you want to know, like any tips, like to take apart your controller. Put back your controller, paint your controller, change your buttons, where you can get buttons, how to take apart your Xbox. I'm going to be doing one of those videos real soon. And how to hot swap a GTA game. So laters, guys. Please subscribe and like. And sorry for my voice, I'm kind of really tired and sick at the same time. So I might sound real tired in this video. I am, okay? But anyways, bye guys, and thanks for watching. Peace.